Good afternoon and welcome to this week's idiom of the week, which is have money to burn. My name is Michael and it is my job to help you get a good score in your IELTS exam. One way we can get a good score is by improving our vocabulary, and one way we can improve our vocabulary is by using idioms in our answers. If we use an idiom, then we can get a band 9, a band 8 or a band 7 in our vocabulary. So this is this week's idiom of the week, have money to burn. That means to have so much money a person wastes it. For example, when I look at weddings and other celebrations, I sometimes think people have money to burn. They spend so much money on flowers, the reception, dresses and the honeymoon. So you can use this idiom in an answer for part 1, part 2 or part 3 question. Any question that's asking you about money or finances, you could probably use this idiom. And there's some new vocabulary there for you. We have reception, which is the party after the wedding, and honeymoon, which is the holiday the bride and groom take after the wedding. Please try and use this idiom in your speaking practice, as it will help you get a high score in the IELTS test. And if you want a high score, you can also contact me directly and I can give you a private lesson. I am a qualified English examiner and I am an English professor and an IELTS examiner as well. So you can contact me on Kakao Talk, Skype or WhatsApp. Stay safe, stay healthy, study English, and please like and share this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Goodbye.